In this video, I will explain the introduction part of chapter number 3, that is pair of linear equation in two variables. So let's start the video. In introduction part, there is pair. Pair means what? Two equations. Okay. Linear equation, that means what? The highest power should be 1. Okay. Two variables, that means there should be any two alphabets like xy, st, mr, etc. There is two methods to solve these types of equation. First one is graphical method and second one is the algebraic method. We will see each of the methods. Okay. If you will compare a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then it will be intersecting line. What? It will be intersecting line. That means in the graph the line will cut in one place. Okay, so there will be one solution and it will be consistent and inconsistent. There is two things. Consistent means we have some value, we have some solutions. Okay, and inconsistent, there is no solution over there, so we will write over there inconsistent. Okay, but here is we have the value, that is one solution. Okay, so we will write consistent. Okay, second method, what we have to see, we have to compare what? a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, and if it is equal, okay, that means these three situation is equal, then it will what happen? It will be coincident line. It will happen. What it will be? Coincident line. Coincident line, that means what? The lapping line. The first line and second line, it will be overlap. Okay, like this. Okay, so it will be coincident line, many solution and consistent. Okay, let's see the third situation, that is a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and if it is not equal to c1 by c2, then it will be no solution. Okay, and it will be parallel line. Okay, it will be parallel lines. Okay, and it will be inconsistent. There is no solution, so it will be inconsistent. Okay, the second method to find out the pair of linear equation in two variables, that is algebraic method. Okay, so let's start the algebraic method. First one is substitution method, elimination method, and the third one is multiplication, that is cross multiplication method. Okay, and it is removed, so don't read this. So let's start. The first one is substitution method. In substitution method, what the thing we have to do? Suppose there is two equation is there, x plus y is equal to 14 and the second one is x minus y is equal to 4. Then what the thing we have to do? We have to substitute the value. Substitute, that means what? We have to find out the value of x or y first of all, and we have to put that x and y value on any equation or on the next equation. So let's see. I have taken what? I have taken the equation number 1. In equation number 1, x plus y is equal to 14 is given. Okay, so what the thing we can write as x is equal to 14 minus y. Okay, then what the thing we have to do? We have to put the value of x in equation number 2. Okay, so what the equation number 2 we have? We have x minus y is equal to 4. So in the place of x, we have to write the value of x, that is 14 minus y. Minus y is already given on the equation number 2, equal to 4 is given. Okay, then if you'll solve, then you'll get what? Minus 2y is equal to plus 4 minus 14. If you'll solve, then you'll get what? Y is equal to 5. Okay, now put the value of y in equation number 3. What the equation number 3 we have? In equation number 3, we have written that x is equal to 14 minus y. And what the value of y we have? We have the value of y as 5. So if you'll solve, then you'll get what? X is equal to 9. So what the value we have right now? We have x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Okay. Let's see the second method, that is elimination method. In elimination method, we have to eliminate the values. Okay, eliminate, that means we have to cut any values in x variable or in y variable. Okay. So let's see, here is 4y. Okay, and here is 2y. If it will be here is also 4y, then it can be cut. Okay, and it should be in opposite side, then it can be cut. So what the thing we have to do? We have to multiply equation number 2 with minus 2, so it will change into plus 4. Okay, after multiplying equation number 2 with minus 2, then you will get what? Minus 4x plus 4y is equal to minus 4. Just put here equation number 1 from the equation number 3. Okay, if you subtract, then you will get that 3x plus 4y is equal to plus 10, minus 4y plus 4y is equal to minus 4. So what the thing we have to do? We have to change the sign. Here is minus, it will come, here is plus, it will come, and here is also plus, it will come. So plus and minus, it will cut here, and here is minus 4 is changed into plus 4, so here is plus. Okay, so 3 plus 4, it will become 7x, and here is 10 plus 4, it becomes 14. If you will solve, then you will get x is equal to 2. Okay, now put the value of x in equation number 2. What the equation number 2 we have? 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. So 2 into 2 minus 2y is equal to 2, it will happen. Minus 2y is equal to plus 2 minus 4, it will happen. 4 is equal to minus 2 by minus 2 will divide, then you will get what? Y is equal to 2. What the x is equal to we have already got as a 2, and y is equal to 1 we have got right now. Okay. There is third method, that is cross multiplication method, and we don't need to read that method. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. Please keep connected.